Need a clean way to remove duplicate items from an array list in Java? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through two simple and effective methods to deduplicate your lists and keep your data tidy. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a fellow developer. Okay, let's look at our code. We have an array list of strings called cars, and we've intentionally added some duplicate values. As you can see when we print it, all the duplicates are there. So, how do we get rid of them? The first method uses a hash set. A set in Java is a collection that cannot contain duplicate elements. This property is perfect for our goal. Don't forget to import all required class. Next, we clear the original array list using the .clear method. Finally, we use .addAll to add all the elements from our hash set back into the now empty array list. Now, when we print the list again, you can see all the duplicates are gone, and we're left with just the unique values. Simple and effective. Now for the second method, which is even more concise if you're using Java 8 or newer, Java streams. This approach is elegant and can be done in a single line of code. We take our cars list and call .stream on it to create a stream of its elements. Then, we apply the .distinct method, which is a built-in stream operation that returns a stream consisting of the distinct elements. Finally, we use .collect.collectors.toList to gather the unique elements from the stream back into a new list. We then reassign this new, deduplicated list back to our original cars variable. Just make sure you've imported java.util.stream.collectors. Let's run the code and check the output. And there you have it. The result is exactly the same. A clean list with no duplicates. Both methods work great. The hash set approach is a classic and easy to understand, while the Stream API offers a more modern, functional, and often more readable one-liner. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.